Good morning, humans. It is morning.
There's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line. Try a different lipstick.
And I'm being a little faster today. I don't know why. Like, I got my makeup done faster. I got dressed faster. Just things are maybe. Hopefully, the day will go faster. In which, right? Pushing my door shoe. What was I gonna say? Yeah, remember, I am completely out of regular socks, so I'm wearing fuzzy socks. Because that part of my laundry hasn't been folded yet. So I gotta wait for those till tomorrow. So my feet are probably going to sweat today because I'm wearing these because they're like fuzzy inside. I think they're supposed to be socks that make your feet feel better. I can't remember. I think that's what I think that's why I bought them. I don't know. But I have to get finished getting ready for work. Fun. Eat breakfast, make lunch. Need to put stuff in my checkbook because I'll forget if I don't. So I'm gonna do that real quick. And yeah, expect a very subpar average vlog today, as usual. Yeah. Because when I probably come back from work, I'm probably gonna be like, I don't want to do anything. Don't look at me. But I'll survive, I guess. Oh my gosh, I am finally home. It is a little after 5. I got home about 20 minutes ago. Yeah, I did not get off work until 4:30. I'm like 3:30. Even later than what I originally thought. It's just been one of them days, you know. Hopefully it gets all better and everything. What the hell is this? I don't care. Sure, it's a Triumph. I don't care. My Castleville game. I just, I don't even think I have. Oh, he left. Dang it. That sucks. It's just one of them days. One of them glorious, glorious days. Is that almost done? Yeah. Okay. I'm happy to be home. I'm glad it's so over. It's just today's been one of them days where I'm just like, I don't want to think. Can it be easy? The only good thing is I have this weekend off, so I can play catch up on some stuff. Catch up on stuff like cleaning my room and other videos from my other channel and all that lovely stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. Play catch up, maybe annotate. While I'm annotating, I'm gonna watch some. What am I gonna watch? Oh, I gotta watch the originals. I don't think I'm gonna watch the Vampire Diaries today. I have that'll be 5 episodes of the originals I have to catch up on. Nice. But I'm gonna take a break from everything, and I'm not gonna edit yet. What am I gonna do? I want to go there. I want to. That's what I wanted to see. I'm trying to think what I'm gonna do. And I can't off the top of my head. That is not good. Not good at all. Nope. I'll figure it out eventually. I'm just too tired to think, I think. That makes sense. Hopefully it did. There's pathetic animals outside of my room. Let's go and see them.
Looking back at her is not going to like make you guys any less pathetic.
As this may be a sign of a serious or even fatal.
What is this?
Tell your doctor if you have liver disease or
What is this?
They're all watching Aunt Kitty in the box.
Tell your doctor.
Kit, what is this? Not doing nothing. You can't even see me. It's so dark. How about I illuminate this situation, huh? How about that? Oh, you're still a little dark. What are you doing? What is she doing, Olive? What you guys doing? What you guys doing? Okay, my humans, it is 11 o'clock and I am going to shower because I need to. Also, I need to use my curler on my hair. Not tonight, but sometime, like the near future, to see how it curls my hair now that it's shorter. Yes. Maybe even less time than what it took before. I did get it down to half an hour with all that hair. Yeah. I was shocked too. But I need to go to bed. I have to get up early in the morning. I'm so looking forward to that. I so am, guys. You just don't know. You don't know. You don't realize how much I'm looking forward to that. Okay? Bottled water just hit my name. There you go. If you're new and you haven't already, hit subscribe down below and give today a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you again tomorrow, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, like I have all this week. Don't expect that the day after tomorrow, because I quite possibly am going to sleep in. Because I can. So, night!